Gonna shine our lights in the darkness, plus have a little fun, so let's spark this Flavor Alliance. Beyond skills, y'all feel this. Yeah. Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Gotta shine my light on a dime, I write order, rhyme my tight lines. For Christ I just might be spitting, but he gave this gift in him I'm uplifting, forgiven from my sin condition, submitting. Plus having some fun done through music, we do this mission as one. Now who's this movement that's moving units and tons, instead of the ones that's repping the sun, getting it done. Yet when one gets reached, you can see how that's cool with me, to not be mainstream. My main theme is Christ the King, and yo I might just bring the heat. With rhymes and beats, the streets complete. Solid like concrete is the rock I stand on, and songs get tweaked with his hands on to me, so I stand strong and speak. Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun.
Son of one, under the sun, this union begun. In 2001, this crew became one. True, they say some run through days with none. They're alone so they can see, play, have fun. Like a kid on a coaster, rolling over loops of emotions we hold to. Motion far and over, ocean of trust bolder, devotion strong to the beholder, promotion to the days of older, no longer slaves or soldiers, but the holders of praise, voices, shoulders, and arms raised. All hail to the ancient of days. Hip-hop's your way, it's our way to relate and say what some only convey when they pray. I stand today with no cliche and portray every day my lyrical buffet.
Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Yeah, we're equal to one. Two people who shun evil and run forward toward the Lord and soar. Through and over struggles endure for sure. We spit the truth on tour and also beyond your visual corridors. Keep it real at work or home or anywhere. Ask me if I really care. Praise him even if I catch silly stares. Yeah, shout and scream, excited about my dream. Being overseen by the Supreme who's everything. He brings my talent to the surface, it's working. Scheming on beats, your neck snapping and jerking. Even through these cats, what happens? Conversions.
Not a one-man mission, but a duo fishing for a missing vision of fun with supervision. Stop and listen, no dissing or silly superstition. Just a Christian MD laying her incision. Fill you with bars, lyrics, and more. Yet, still there is far more left in store. Chill, for he knocks at the door. Don't sink or snore, just seek the one elite. We'll show you what to think. Stop being a critique. Retreating from the heat of the hot seat. Like those who sleep, your ink is slowly seeps. Don't blink and lose your seat, or be the weakest link. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Two we are as people, equal to one thus. Never divided, shining, plus rhyming is fun. Yeah.
Come on, y'all. Who says you can't have fun in the Lord?
Rhyming is
Delight
fun.
yourself in him, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Come
Rhyming
taste
is
and
fun.
see.
Rhyming is fun. Rhyming is fun. Rhyming is fun.